Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Install and open local cast, then grant storage and network permissions so the app can find media. Connect your phone and the target device to the same Wi-Fi network. This is why Discovery works. Once done, tap the cast icon at the top. Local cast will scan for available devices. Make sure to select the correct device name. This avoids sending content to the wrong screen. Now you choose what to play and how. Tap Files or the cloud icon, browse to your video or image, and pick a subtitle file if needed. Local Cast supports external subtitles and track selection. Once selected, use the Options menu to switch audio tracks or set playback quality. This reduces buffering. You can add items to the queue to play in order. Arrange them now if you have multiple files. Preview briefly to confirm sync and correct subtitles. Finish by controlling playback and knowing quick fixes. Use local cast's play, pause, seek, and subtitle toggles to manage the session. You can also change volume from the app. If the device isn't visible, restart your router, reconnect both devices to the same network, or use the IP address cast option to target the receiver directly. For stuttering or buffering, lower the bitrate or move to 2.4 GHz, and as a last resort, cast via USB.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.